Ms. Carr here talking about the standard algorithm for multiplication. And in this case, we're actually talking about a 3 by 2 multiplication problem, just like this one. This is 457 times 28. 28. So this is a little bit bigger on the top than what we normally do, so I'm going to go through the steps right now. It's the same thing. You have to multiply each of your place values on the bottom, 20 and 8, times all the place values on the top. So here we go. 28 times 457. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry the 5. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 more is 45. 8 times 4 is 30. Oh, I forgot to carry my 4. 4. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. I'm done with my 8. I'm done with this. I carried all of those. And now I'm going to do the next number, which is a 2, but in the tens place, making it a 20, which means I have to put a 0 placeholder down before I can do my multiplication. Now, 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Oh, excuse me, I forgot to carry my 1. So, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Carry my 1 again. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Now these two numbers here on the bottom are what we call partial products. We multiplied the 8 by all of 457 and we multiplied the 20 by all of 457. And now we're going to add them together to get our answer. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 9 is 12. For an answer of 12,796. Same answer we got here. We could also check this work by using a ratio table. And in this case, I was going to use a ratio table here to multiply 457 times 28. When we use ratio tables, you have to know what we're talking about. We're talking about groups of one of these numbers. Well, for me, I'd rather go to 28 than try and figure out all the way up to 457. So I'm going to be talking about groups of 457 to check my work. So one group of 457 is 457. And two groups of 457, wait a minute, I better do my addition here. 457 plus 4, 1, 1, 9. That's 914. Then four groups, oh man, 914, doubled, 914, 8, 2, 18, that's 1,828. And then 8 groups, 1, 8, 2, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, added together. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry the 1, 5. 8, 16, carry the 1, 3 is 3,656. Now I can jump from 2 to 20, and I know right away that my answer is 9,140. And then all I need to do is add 8 and 20 for 28. So now I'm going to come over here, 9,140 plus 3,656. I'm going to add them together, and I've got 6, 9, and 7, and 12 for 12,796, which, if I recall correctly, was the